Hey everyone, I'm here on Monument Street at the corner of 17 in Monument. It is a couple of blocks away from Temple University. It's a very quiet and nice street. It's a wider street, as you could see. From here, you have plenty of parking space. I'm here to show you a house, 6-bed, 3-bath house on this Monument Street. And the house is 1715 Monument Street. It has beautiful, nice bedrooms. And also it has 3 baths for a resident. It also have a patio, a nice deck for the resident. So this is the house I'm about to show you. Before I get in, I just want you to see what the outside looks like. Only a couple of blocks from the campus, from the Temple University. And this is the place. You have the steps, nice concrete sidewalk. And it is a 3-story building. This is what the outside looks like. I will get in and show you the inside. All right, as I walk in, here is the vestibule. You have a mat for your foot and a tile floor as you enter. When I walk into the living area, you have this beautiful wood floor, and you have very high ceiling. It's a beautiful living space. You have 2 windows on your left for a natural light. You have built-in shelves. Here is your kitchen with an island. In the kitchen you have a gas oven, a built-in microwave, a lot of storage cabinet, stainless steel appliances, a refrigerator, a dishwasher, a garbage disposal, everything you need in a modern kitchen. This is the view from this angle. On this floor, you have, in addition to the living space, you have 1 bedroom and also 1 bath. This door will lead you to the basement where you find your laundry machine and also a lot of space for storage. Let's go into the first bedroom here. Just turn on the light again to show you the space. This is the first bedroom on the first floor. 2 windows for a natural light, 1 here on my left, 1 here in front of me, and also you have this closet space. This is a view from this angle. This door will lead you to the outside space where you have a deck. I'm going to show you in a little bit. First, I'm going to go upstairs and show you the other rooms. On this floor, I also told you earlier, there is a full bath. Here is the bath. You have a toilet, tile floor, nice mirror, sink, a bathtub shower combo. It's a tile on the wall. It's a tile floor as well. All right, head into the second floor. You have these beautiful steps, wide step and nice railing on the side. Going up. So the first bedroom I would like to show you is here. There are 3 bedrooms on this floor. This is the biggest one. You have beautiful high ceiling fan, and two big windows for a natural light. As you could see, there are a lot of natural light coming to this unit. This is what the bedroom looks like from this angle. In this bedroom, we have two huge closet space. So the first one here. Big. And there is also next one. All right, then you have the next bedroom on the second floor. Same thing, you have a ceiling fan and one window for natural light. As you walk in, on your left, you have this closet space. Nice size closet. You'll be looking out to the back of the building where you have your private patio from this bedroom. And this is what the bedroom looks like here. Then on this floor, you have a hallway bath and also another bedroom. All right, the third bedroom here on the second floor, you have 3 windows for a natural light, same ceiling fan, and wood floor throughout. Through your bedroom, you see the deck, which you have a beautiful deck outside. I will show you in a little bit. You also have in this bedroom a nice size closet space. All right, as you could see, the unit gets a lot of natural light. And then to the bathroom, the hallway bathroom. All right, you have, in this bathroom, you have a tile floor, and it is a stall shower, tile wall, nice shower. Tile floor. You also have a window for fresh air. You also have an exhaust fan. This is what the bathroom looks like. Then to the third floor, where you have 2 beds and one bath. Going up, you have this window for a natural light. The place gets a lot of natural light. This is the highest floor. First bedroom is here. As inside, you have 2 windows for a natural light. You have this closet space, nice size closet space. Big. You also have additional closet space on this side. This is what your bedroom looks like from this angle. Then you have a hallway bath and also another bedroom. First I show you this bedroom. Here you have 1 window for a natural light. Ceiling fan as the other bedroom. You also, in that corner, you have a closet space. A size closet space. All right. All right, the next place I would like to show you on this floor is the hallway bathroom. Here is a bathroom between these two bedrooms. In this bathroom, you have tile floor, mirror, sink, toilet, and built-in shelf. It's a stall shower. It has a tile floor, tile wall, nicely designed to keep your soap and things in a good shape. It's a stall shower, as I said. All right, this is what the third floor bathroom looks like. All right, next I will show you the basement where you have laundry machine. I also show you the outside space. All right, going to the basement. Here on my right. You have a concrete floor, steps going down. In this basement, you have plenty of storage space, as you could see. And also you have a washing machine and a dryer. All right, I just showed you the inside of the house, and as I said earlier, there is outside living space, a patio. You get access to the patio from here, from the first floor. This door will take you to the outside. It's a private, nice, and quiet space for a resident. This is where your condenser is. It is fall, now everything is falling, so you will see a lot of leaves, but it will not be like this all the time. Resident will clean their back yard, and as you walk out, you could see on the top you have a beautiful deck. I'm going to show you going up. All right, here is your deck. You have access from the first floor to come to the patio or to the deck. As you could see, there are chairs here. You could set your table and chair and enjoy a breath of fresh air. I'm sorry, because there are a lot of trees in the area, and you see a lot of leaves falling, but it's a fall season. It will be clean once the fall is over. And this is a deck, nice deck, and also you also have this space, a patio. You can set your tables here as well, table and chair, and enjoy a private moment. It's a beautiful, nicely fenced outside space. All right, just showed you everything about this place. Thank you for watching. Bye.